Okay. Hello everyone. How are you doing out there? This is Goodison Gamer and welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna take a look at the demon attack on the Commodore VIC-20. So this is a conversion from the classic game that came out in '82 on Atari 2600. And I have reviewed that before together with the Commodore VIC-4 version, which was good as well. So I believe this came out in '83, and so here we go. I play as this. This is a fixed shooter, so I play as this ship down in the bottom here. Then I need to shoot down these demon birds here, devilish birds here, and my lives is down to the left. So I have 3 lives to the beginning. And now I got another life, because I did good, perhaps. And my scores is up to the right, so I have 110 right now. So one has to time the shoots here. Shit. Try to have a little patience here. Oops. Little bastards. Ah, gotcha. There you go, yes. And then another life. So now I have 5 life. Ooh, here comes this demonic bastard with their lasers. Oops. Cool, this looks so cool actually. And the Atari 2600 version was just epic. One of the best games on that system in my opinion. Come on, demonic bastard bird. Haha. Oh, and then another life. Now with 6 lives. Cool. What's another diabolic laser to deal with here? Shit. Haha. You. Haha. Have that. Ah. Well, here comes the new birds. Now it's getting tough here, because I believe this bird is divided into smaller birds. So that they can be tricky to take down actually. Oops, shit. I have to stay away. Hey, shit. Come here, you little bastard. Haha. Little shit. Ah. Hey, get away from me. You too. Yeah, it's getting tough. Quick. Piss off. You piss off too. Haha. It continues. Yeah. Oh my god, that was a close one. Piss off. Leave me alone. Ah. When they turn into yellow there, they are really annoying. They're going for you. So. Oh shit, that was a close one. Here you come again. Fucking bastard. Really annoying. Piece of shit. Ah shit. Oh. Oh my god. They don't give me so much chance. Oh shit. Yes, you need to have a lot of reflexes in this game. Piss off. Oh my god. Here comes another shitty... Yes, get out of my face. Oh my god. Yes. Oh, look at this, creatures. Fucking crabs. Flying crabs. Oh, oh. Yes, there you go. We have seen the game. It's game over. Demon Attack on the VIC-20. Very good version. Very, very good version. I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10 for this one. But I still like the original on the Atari 2600 best. I think that is the original. I'm not 100% sure actually. So correct me if I'm wrong. But this version is very, very good. So there you go. Demon Attack, give it a go, will ya? Have a good one. Goodbye.